So in our last video, we have already added the layer for the NumPy and Matplot library. In this video, we are going to test our AWS Lambda function to see that if I pass a prompt called as, let's say, cute baby, then I should get a image from the SageMaker, which should have a cute baby image, and it should be got uploaded into S3 bucket, and I should be able to download it and see it. So this should be our test. So let's see how it works. So we will go to the console and open our AWS Lambda function and test it out. So you can notice here we have received an error saying that task is timeout after 3.02 seconds. So obviously calling a SageMaker will take more than 3 seconds. But in AWS Lambda function, by default, the timeout period is 3 seconds only. However, so let's go ahead into the configuration of that AWS Lambda and change the timeout to, let's make it 10 minutes rather 3 seconds. So you can always edit it and change the timeout period to 10 minutes as a maximum. And if it is taking more than 10 minutes, it will time out. So save it. And we will go ahead and do our testing one more time. So let's go to our code and hit on the test button. I'm going to change the data to cute baby boy, and I'm expecting a photo of the baby boy. So let's go ahead and hit the test button, and here we have to wait a couple of minutes because it takes some time. I have fast forwarded this in video. So you can notice here the status code is 200 and the body has a URL that we are supposed to click it and download the image out of it. So let's go ahead into the new tab and paste the URL and see if we can see the image. Wow! So we have a cute baby image. Although it is not fine-tuned, but it is able to fetch the cute baby. So our next step is to see whether this photo is uploaded in S3 bucket or not. And yes, it is uploaded. So let's go ahead and deploy this Lambda function. And in our next video, I am going to create the REST API which will invoke the AWS Lambda function. So stay tuned.